Welcome to my channel Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Without you, my heart is incomplete. I am yours, always and forever. Love is not about finding the perfect person, but loving someone perfectly. I'd rather have one lifetime with you than 1,000 without you. Your love is the greatest adventure of my life. With you, love is forever. You are my best friend and my greatest love. Your love makes my heart race. Love is not what we have, but what we share. I need you like a heart needs a beat. Your love is my safe haven. My heart smiles whenever you're near. You are my greatest blessing. Falling in love with you was beyond my control. You are the best part of my life. No one loves me like you do, and I love you even more. Forever isn't long enough with you. Your love is my happy place. I wish I could hold you forever. The best part of my day is you. You are the poetry my heart writes every day. You are my sun, my moon, and all my stars. You are my today and all of my tomorrows. In your arms, I've found my home. You are the piece of my heart I never knew was missing. Loving you is the best decision I ever made. You make my world more beautiful just by being in it. I love you more than words can say. Ugh. You are my dream, my reality, my forever. My heart beats only for you. Your love is my greatest treasure. You are the reason I believe in love. Every love story is beautiful, but ours is my favorite. Your love is the light that brightens my darkest days. With you, I have everything I need.